A lot of the senior school teachers didn't accept me. They said, who is this 28, 29-year-old? If you're doing the same thing for 10, 20 years, you don't have 20 years experience.
Yeah.
You have 1 year experience 20 times.
20 times.
So it is done to measure a narrow band of human existence. Uh, that is why there's no correlation between high IQ and success in life, right? In fact, high IQ is a curse because high IQ means you're dysfunctional to do many other things. Learning spaces need not have a typical sage on the stage with children looking at the teacher and the teacher lecturing. So the role of a teacher is emotion.
Emotion,
If you
yeah.
don't manage emotion, there's no learning. There is a parent cafe, and you come to a parent cafe typically in the starting of the school or during when big events happen. You'll find 10, 15 parents sitting with the teachers or with fellow parents,
Yeah.
collaborating and figuring out what next to happen. The opposite of good idea in a school in education is another good idea. It's not a wrong idea. It's another good idea.
Yeah. Yeah.
A child could be very artistic when they're young, but for all you know, the child can actually do some very complex logical arguments later on. Bill Gates once said, but I think it's a very powerful thing. He said, "You often overestimate in the short term and underestimate the long term."
Yes.
Right? So that's what's going to happen in AI. So a lot of the promises of AI in the short term may not happen. Like, for example,